Johan Julius Exner was born on November 30, 1825 in Copenhagen to Johan Gottlieb Exner, a Czech musician from Bohemia, died November 15, 1910, Danish genre painter, who came to Denmark during the Napoleonic period, and his wife Karen Jorgenstatter. Exner originally intended on becoming a history painter, but quickly found his niche, however, in genre painting, the most popular and lucrative painting style of his era. His genre paintings figured prominently in Denmark's national Romantic period, an artistic period directly after the golden age of Danish painting, when artistic focus was turned inwards to uniquely Danish themes.